Hello and welcome to the channel. In this video, we're going to be taking a look at the highly anticipated Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First up, let's talk about the design. The S23 is expected to feature a sleek glass design with a metal frame, similar to its predecessor, the S22. It is rumored to come in three sizes: the S23, the S23 Plus, and the S23 Ultra. The S23 Ultra is expected to have the largest display with a whopping 6.9-inch AMOLED 2X screen. All three models are expected to have a high refresh rate of 120Hz, making for smooth and seamless visuals. Next up, let's talk about the camera. The S23 is rumored to have a triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 64-megapixel main camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, and a 3D depth sensor. On the front, it is expected to have a 32-megapixel selfie camera. The S23 Plus and S23 Ultra are rumored to have an additional TOF sensor on the back, as well as more advanced camera with a resolution of 108 megapixels. All three models are expected to have improved low-light performance and support for 8K video recording. Under the hood, the S23 is expected to be powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor with options for 128 gigs, 256 gigs, and 512 gigs of storage. It is also rumored to have 5G capabilities, making it one of the most powerful and future-proof smartphones on the market. Finally, let's talk about the software. The S23 is expected to run on Android 11 with Samsung's One UI 3.1 on top. One UI 3.1 is expected to bring a number of improvements and new design features such as updated design, enhanced privacy controls, and improved performance. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S23 series looks to be a formidable competitor in the smartphone market, with its impressive design, camera capabilities, and top-of-the-line hardware and software. We'll be sure to keep you updated as more information becomes available, so be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to stay in the loop. Thanks for watching.